When it comes to the online course creation, you'll be wondering that, okay, where do I go and find out about what are the kind of course content that my learner will want to learn or my student will want to learn? The first place that I will go to is also my favorite, is called the answerthepublic.com. If you go in there and if you type in the topic that you would like to search, depends on what kind of plan that you are on. If you are on the free plan, then you have 3 search limit per day. So make sure the topic that you put in that it count. Before you go ahead for that, if you want to make sure the topic that you search count or the word that you use is correct, that you can try it out in the just the Google and try it first. As you type it in the Google and see that what are the suggestions that is coming out, or you can use like an incognito window. What I mean by that is that you are searching it as an anonymous user, that Google won't know that it's coming from you, because if you're typing in your subject most of the time, Google might suggest like what you type in. So in order for us to get the correct result, that I would suggest that you log in Google as a Chrome, as an incognito window. But once you got this kind of suggesting word, then you can go to the answerthepublic.com. Once you type it in, you will see that heaps and heaps of like information will coming out that will tell you how to, why, where, list, so many of it. So these are the kind of information that you can start to see that are there people asking about it, and or when it comes to naming your course topic, how should you name it? So that will give you an idea of it, like what are the people asking about it, what should you create, how should you name it, or how should you address your course content, etc. of it. Another place that you can check is called Quora. In Quora is also about like many people asking about the question as well. Then you can see what are the kind of questions that people are asking about, and is there anything that you can answer as well. Obviously in there you can see that lots of people have answered about it as well. So these are the kind of play that you can go and do and research, find out your course content, the question, all those kind of things. Last one that I would like to suggest that you can use the Facebook as well. Hopefully by now that if you have followed my video, that you would have gone through joining the Facebook group in the stage or when you are searching for your market research. So if you're in your Facebook group, that you would have be able like to ask question to see that are people asking this type of question as well. So these are the kind of play that you can gather the information like for your course content. Say like all the questions that these people are asking about, like what be in Facebook, in Quora, or in the Google, or in answerthepublic.com, that you would have like you can gather all these questions in a spreadsheet, because you can literally use this for your course topic. Use this like how you can like answer this question to your audience that they're asking. Of course, that if you follow my previous video that I have suggested about like using the Google Form title service question, that you can use this kind of research that you have done, then you can go and quickly like do a Google Form type survey and go and ask the audience, like if I were to create this kind of course, or if you were to take this kind of course, what kind of topic that you expect to see and what kind of question that you expect to answer. So hopefully that should help for you about like where to get your course content.